Hi guys, you welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. This is the year 2025. So I really appreciate every one of you for your support, for your kindness, for your comments, and liking my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make fruit zobo. So like this video, give a thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not forget to subscribe. If you've not subscribed to my channel, subscribe so that you not miss any of my videos. Thank you. So things like this do occur over there. As zobo is ready, you bring it down, then allow and filter it. Allow it to cold before you pour in your fruit, those fruit that we were blending. Now the zobo is cold, so I have to filter it, then add all the fruits and bottle it.